So I have this G model JNM 315 1RF 1SS. As you can see, the handle is broken. It's almost like this. So what I'm trying to do today is try to fix this using some sheet metal screws. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's pretty easy actually, as you can see. This trim over here, there's a gap right there. This one easily comes out, so I'm going to show you how to do that. And of course you don't need to remove the whole trim to fix this. Take this screwdriver, just tuck it inside. Tuck it inside this gap. Right there, there's a gap right there. I can try it from here. As you can see that it comes out pretty easily. You just need to tuck this in. The screwdriver should go in this gap and just pry it open. That's about it. Do that. Let me try to do that across the whole of the door. You can see from here. Okay, there you go, it came out. So pretty much this is attached to the microwave door. Those plastic hooks right there. Right there. And same on the top. So what I did was, if you could see, I already removed the screws. The old screws which was attached to the handle. Right there, there's one, and there's one right there. You can see, right there. There's one more. This one is a bigger hole, so what I'm going to do is take a sheet metal screw, 1 inch, and a washer, so the screw doesn't slip through the hole, big hole. So I'm going to have sheet metal screws, 1 inch, and number 8 right there. Number 8, and then I have some washers, number 10. So it's gonna look like this. A washer and a screw. Of course, I need a screwdriver, star screwdriver. Okay, you can see that it has enough plastic right there, and you could easily screw it in. I think that should be good enough. If, of course, if it doesn't work, if the screw is too long, you can always put some more extra washers, and you can fill in the gap between the leftover space between the handle, the screw, and the frame. So let me do it. As you can see that I didn't need to remove the whole of the trim. I kept it hanging there. Even if it comes out, it's very easy to put it back. So no need to worry. So number 1, as you can see the hole right there. A big one. Right there. Put the screw in there. Alright. one more screw, 1 inch, same thing. Washer, so that if the hole is bigger, the screw doesn't slip through it. Okay, let's put it here. I'm gonna use a screwdriver so that I get, because I don't think I'm able to get my hand in there. There you go. Okay, that's a snug fit. Now my drive is all fixed up, so I don't have to buy a new one, which could have cost me about $300 to $500. It's a good microwave, so I don't want to replace it. Just the bad handle, the bad plastic. And put the trim back. The trim has broken a little bit, but I'm not going to worry too much about it. Let's push it in. Done. All right. Awesome. As you can see, it's all in perfect shape. Took literally 10 minutes. Of course, I had to find the right screws and things like that. Other than that, opening the trim, putting the screws together, it's pretty easy. All right, I'm good. I'm golden. It's rolling great. It's snug tight. All right, awesome. Thank you.